it this hard. Whoever knew? Whoever knew we'd be up in this car? Whoever knew? Go out and die without you, but not without you. You can live my life, babe, not without you. Whoever knew? Whoever knew? Hey, I didn't even know how to talk to you.
Hey guys, come on in. Welcome to the new place. Okay, y'all. So this is the entryway. We're gonna hang something up. We're gonna figure something out. Okay, come this way. Going to the master bedroom. Okay, y'all. This is the master bedroom. Pretty big. I feel like it's littler. Than our other place. Okay, and then our closet is right here. The closet is another stuff, but here we go. Big, nice and big, y'all. Okay. Gotta ask for more because it's a little rusty and hard. Okay, continue coming. I got like a little closet here to put things. Okay, and then our bathroom is right here. We got this nice, cute little sink, and we got drawers in this apartment. We have way more drawers than our last one, so we have tons of space, or they're about the same. Then we have a nice like shower with a window right here. That's a nice head. That's pretty cute, and that's basically our bathroom. All right. Then follow me this way, y'all, and we are coming to the hallway closet. So this right here will be the hallway closet, but I'm turning this into a pantry, y'all. So yeah. Then we have another little small, I don't know where the light switches are. Oh, there's no light right here. So I'll turn the bathroom light on. Okay, so we got this little small closet here. Okay. And then we have, this will be the kids' bathroom and guest bathroom. Same sink, same drawers like the master. Bathroom is much a little spacious. Same thing with the tub, toilet, everything's still the same. All right, guys, and then let's go to the kids' room. Let's see. Kids' room, bigger, I think, or a little smaller. I'll have to see once I get all this stuff in. But they got a nice little view. They got a window in their room. They used to have a balcony. They don't have a balcony anymore. They just, the window. Big space. The closet. Very big. Hurt my finger. Closet is very, very big. So their dressers and toys can just get hidden in there. All right, y'all. Come on. Come on, cameraman. Let's go. So we're going to the living room. Okay, my favorite part. So here's the living room, you guys. And it's very big. We do have a fireplace. This is your dining room right here. Okay. Then we're gonna have the bar area right here. Okay. And then my kitchen. This is where your girl be up in here whipping it up. Okay. And it's much bigger than the kitchen I have now. Way more cabinet space because I only had maybe like 4 cabinet space up in there. So we got tons of cabinet spaces, okay, y'all. We sinks, beautiful sink, love it, y'all. Look at that, that's just too cute. Pull off, very, very cute. Microwave, oven looks very, very nice, okay. Now, y'all, the refrigerator, very nice. Like, it's empty now, but all our food is in our next place. It's gonna be filled up again, okay, y'all. So That is our apartment tour. Didi did not want to get on camera for this. He the cameraman, y'all. He behind it. Say what up to them, babe.
What's good with y'all? I'm here.
He didn't want to get on camera. He said he ain't looking too fly for y'all to see him, so he just gonna, sit on camera. But y'all, this is our new place, and we love it. So, in the comments down below, congratulate us, subscribe if you haven't, and y'all, we're gonna see y'all in the next video, okay? Peace.
Whoever knew that we'll make it this far? Whoever knew? Whoever knew we'll be up in this car? Whoever knew? Go out and die without you, but not without you. You can live my life, babe, not without you. Whoever knew?